I think if there's one word that describes the DHA and the team here, it's collaborative.
Very productive.
Community.
Sometimes we have challenging discussions.
But in a very collaborative way to make sure that the ideas turn into products that help patients.
Application process was very easy. It's compared to the research grants we apply, it was very easy to fill form, quick.
The first is a written application of what we were planning to do as a project. And then we came by the BIH for a Q&A session, and then there was a pitch day.
What I liked most is that the turnover of the decision was very quick. So it was really within 2 weeks that we had a result.
So the DHA Phase 1 program is mainly about figuring out what your product actually is.
That means it provided co-working space, counseling, stuff for market research. My project wouldn't exist without the DHA, so we applied with an idea, and now we have a functioning prototype. That was stage 1 of the DHA, and now in stage 2 we are going to develop the full product and bring it to patients.
The Phase 2 is much more about actually building the product.
And at the end of Phase 2 now we have a product that's really ready for the market.
Accelerators have different models of how they run. Most of them run on extremely low cost, where they have zero mentorship. The DHA in particular is so focused on healthcare and digital that it's very important to have mentorship. I am by far the youngest mentor, and they all have years and years of experience in working in this space and helping companies to navigate it.
The mentorship program is really invaluable in DHA.
A great focus on the things that doctors usually don't learn in university hospitals.
How can you earn money with it? That's an actual question, because that is the core of every company.
Giving us a map of how to do things, where to go, what to do. And in the map you have experts from different fields, you have pipelines of how things work. And then, of course, there are different experts for communication, clinical researchers, marketing specialists, people from regulatory affairs. So there's lots of different expertise that you will need in this map, and then basically giving us this framework so that we know where to go and what to do.
For me, it's very important to say that as a mother of 3 little children, I'm very grateful to the DHA. The DHA staff was really, really family friendly.
Everyone can apply to the DHA, and I would really recommend it for everyone who's convinced of having a great idea, no matter the stage. The DHA really picks you up where you are, but what matters is the idea.
Apply now.